Brain versus Prenevi who took Ember.
Let's see who wins.
This gonna be a really interesting match to see. The map is Brawl Heaven, small Brawl Heaven, very famous match. Okay, the match begins here. The first emote in Prenevi to verify. Okay. Okay, the boy has already started giving him some small damages. Okay, Prenevi gone to orange. Oh, there he goes. He got the KO side sig. लगता है वो अपना स्पीयर ही रखेंगे. That's fine.
Yeah, I think he's
Prenevi got to be little smart to get this KO.
So I think
Okay.
Brain कौन है?
He got the bow. Bryn the boy है. टैब दबा के तो देख सकता है.
Okay.
Prenevi trying to get
I think
him from the side sig, but
Prenevi is playing.
He's missing all his knights. Yes,
okay,
there he goes on his knights, but not enough to take out the boy. Has to play a little smart.
Prenevi, what the hell? I just can't. What the hell, man? What
The boy.
Pretty intense.
Yeah, there he goes. Prenevi got the KO from his neutral sig from the bow. But Prenevi has already been very damaged from the boy. So he's got to be real
careful. It's pretty defensive situation.
Yes, he has to be very defensive or else. Oh, Gaya. Oh, okay. There you go. Down light and side light from Spear. And he is gone. The boy has a lot of advantage right now because he's not also low on health right now.
He can do it.
Yes, Prenevi can do it. If he plays smartly, he can definitely do it. Because
मेरे को बहुत hope है.
There you go.
I have hope for him.
Yes.
Oh boy. Nice.
Oh, okay.
Playing really defensive. Oh.
But as you can see, the boy is playing very aggressive.
Yeah, he is.
Because he wants that.
And I think he has more advantage. Like उसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा advantage है.
Yes. There you go. Game one for the boy.
The boy.
Game one for the boy.
Yeah, the boy wins. Congratulations, you just went to second level.
Won the first match.
But let's see who wins.
That makes sense. Because Prenevi को यहाँ पे बहुत.
He's really playing defensive, यार. He's really playing defensive.
उन्हें defensive खेलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये उनका last chance है tie करने के लिए. अगर नहीं तो will lose his matchup, and he is playing very aggressive right now to lot of damage to him. He's going with Qatar strings right now, but the boy is also trying to get him off the stage with his side stick, but got back to the end, touched the wall. दोनों प्लेयर्स यहाँ पे ट्रैक कर रहे हैं अपोनेंट को अपने साइड से या डाउन सिक्स से मारने के लिए. इन कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है. He just charged the bow right there, his side stick. Shouldn't do that. He got punished for it. There he goes.
Nice.
He got the KO
from his side stick. Nice KO. बहुत सही किया इन्होंने.
That was a smart play.
Yeah.
But Prenevi is also like now very damaged.
So like I think Prenevi अभी बहुत aggressive खेल रहा है. Last match को देखा जाए तो अभी he's playing more aggressive.
हाँ, क्योंकि उसने देखा लास्ट मैच में अगर वो डिफेंसिव खेलेगा तो उसके साथ सही नहीं हो रहा है. एंड देयर ही गो. नाइस साइड से.
बहुत सही खेला नो-नेम ने.
अब दोनों ही का मतलब दोनों स्टॉक्स पे दो स्टॉक्स थे, लेकिन Prenevi को थोड़ा सा एडवांटेज है बिकॉज ऑफ द डैमेज ही हैज डन टू द बॉय. Okay, that was a nice chase dodge, but Pranavi got escaped from it.
Ooh, Bren,
nice,
I think
nice.
they're both playing really aggressively at this point.
इस मैप में एक और बड़ी अजीब चीज है, अगर आपको साइड से लगता है और आपको बहुत दूर तक आप जाते हो स्टेज के, तो आप वापस आना बहुत मुश्किल है, क्योंकि यू कैन सी द वॉल्स आर नॉट टू थिक एंड लॉन्ग.
But I think इस वाले मैच में I think
Pranavi can do it.
I think
Pranavi will tie the match. There he goes, the neutral seg. But the boy got the axe, and Pranavi just done 2 downlights and neutral lights. Okay, he's out of weapon.
Okay, let's see what happens now. क्या नो नेम कर पाएगा?
If Pranavi done damage to him, मुझे नहीं पता. अगर Pranavi ने उसे डैमेज दे दिया अच्छा खासा, और अगर वो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक चला भी जाता है, तब भी आई थिंक ही कैन डू इट, बिकॉज वो बहुत डैमेज होगा. मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे इसका स्टॉप हो गया. एंड देयर ही गोज, दैट डॉज रीड, साइड लाइट, डाउन लाइट एंड साइड एयर. दैट वाज द डॉज. ओके, oh, that's double down light.
Oof.
Recovery
भाई क्लच, नो नेम क्लच करने वाला है. ओ भाई.
Yes, he's gonna clutch this match, I think. If Pranavi won this match, this is gonna be very epic. And there he goes.
Oh my gosh, that was an
Pranavi won
intense
this match
Intense
from his
match,
side
man.
sig. Congratulations, the boy.
Thank you.
You got it from the side sig. That was epic.
Well. मेरे को
I'm not able to pull it off. I'm getting so tensed.
It was amazing.
GG well
देख सकते हो कि गणेश का अटैक कितना है और ब्रिन का अटैक कितना है, ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. और डैमेज वाइज, स्पीड वाइज, डिफेंस वाइज ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. तो ये बहुत ही मतलब इक्वल मैच होने वाला है. और जो हमारा वो है मैप, वो भी मायामी डोम लगा है. मायामी डोम इज लाइक both equal map because you can't also go beneath it.
कोई बच नहीं पाएगा मैम इस मैप. चांसेस
और यहाँ पे रोकावीर बहुत ही डैमेज देते हुए एक्स से.
आई थिंक नैश के पास अटैक डैमेज का वो है, बट लाइक ब्रेन के पास डिफेंस ज्यादा है.
हाँ, यस, डिफेंस ज्यादा. बट ये अपनी गलती से रोकावीर इज आउट. ही इज जस्ट आउट.
But he can still do it because एक round है.
Yes. He just jumped off the stage and forgot that he has no recovery left.
अरे
what?
भाई.
Killer JT is not doing anything. He's just enjoying, like giving damage, and Rokaveer doing suicides on the map. I don't know what happened.
He is just dying, man.
He disconnected, I think.
He
disconnected?
No,
he did not because
he can't taunt. He can't taunt. Bots cannot taunt.
Oh, okay.
I think वो phone
You
पे
guys
खेल रहा
play?
होगा. That's why I don't know. I'm still confused.
You guys
Start fighting.
Okay, I think
अभी वो वापस आ गया है.
रॉकवीर को क्लच करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो उनका मैच का. ये बहुत अच्छा थ्रो किया उन्होंने. सोचा था कि ग्राउंड पॉइंट से मार देंगे, लेकिन नहीं हो पाया.
और ये मुझे लग रहा है ना कि ये ब्रेन ना रिडेम्पशन राउंड करने वाली है. Ooh, I told you she's gonna do a redemption round.
ब्रेन का डिफेंस बहुत ज्यादा है, इसलिए अभी थोड़ा सा हो सकता है उसका एडवांटेज हो. लेकिन एज यू कैन सी वो अभी ऑरेंज हो चुकी है. और इसका मतलब है कि उसे सिर्फ 1 हिट चाहिए गणेश की तरफ से, एंड शी इज आउट.
And there she goes.
And there you go.
She is destroyed. But अभी भी I guess रॉकवीर के पास और एक चांस है.
हाँ, रॉकवीर के पास एक और चांस हो सकता है, क्योंकि अभी सेकंड राउंड में they can do something.
But मेरे हिसाब से कुछ भी हो सकता है at this point. Anybody can win and anybody can
they both have stick their main characters, Nash and Brin.
पर दोनों के पास स्पीयर है पता है.
हाँ स्पीयर है लेकिन that doesn't make any sense. दोनों का स्पीयर है तो क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? Okay. Nas trying to give him as much damage as he can, but Rockaway also doing combos on him to build up damage, and he doesn't want to lose this game because what happened in the first game, he would be really upset. तेरे को लगता है टांगी फर्स्ट गेम में जो हुआ कोई स्क्रिप्टेड था या क्या?
I think it was accident, but I'm just confused. Oh,
Okay, that was a smart play.
Okay.
That was a smart play. डाउन से यूज किया अपना
So
हैमर का.
basically, रॉकवीर का वो वीक पॉइंट समझ आ गया नहीं. एज पे लेके जाओ और एज पे खत्म कर दो, वापस ही नहीं आ पाएगा. So weak point.
Yes, he is not good at edges.
See, as you
He's
can see,
not
the
good at
style.
edges. You have to be little careful that he doesn't. Oh, nice neutral sig from Rockaway.
He can still do it.
Yes, they're equal now. You can see.
Actually, Bryn बहुत कर रही है. Like she's trying a lot.
Yes, she's trying real hard to just knock him off. But Killer JT trying to dodge it, but he's already red. And Prince just need one sig to get him out the stage. Yes, there you go. The side sig from the
I
spear.
guess now the tables have turned. कोई भी जीत सकता है.
Yes, tables unturned. The third round will be there, guys. I think रॉकवीर को एज के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए क्योंकि वो पता है कि एज के पास क्या होता है.
I think he should just avoid edges. Just छोड़ दो, like just play defensive.
Yes.
Because if
He's
she
trying
loses
to
this match,
get him
then
out.
she's gone.
There he goes. The second round for Rockaway. So this is a reset. There will be a third round. They're equal now. There will be a third round, guys. The last tiebreaker round.
So let's see कौन जीतता है.
देखा जाएगा उलग्रिम के साथ कितना अच्छा कर पाते हैं. उलग्रिम का डिफेंस बहुत ज्यादा है. He can have an advantage.
3, 2, 1, brawl!
मैच स्टार्ट हो गया और दोनों ही लगभग इक्वल है लेकिन ब्रिन बहुत डैमेज दे रहे हैं उलग्रिम को. उलग्रिम भी बहुत ट्राई कर रहे हैं इनको डैमेज पे डैमेज देने की.
But I think again, I think Rockaway has more chance of winning again.
Yes, he has nice tactical skills. You can see.
But I
He
guess
knows where to jump. He
if you
knows.
think about it, Bryn भी मतलब in total like she's pretty much god.
Yep.
Like उसके defense,
Like she's a-
उसका attack, उसका defense, it's pretty much
Yes.
equal.
He's a strong legend to pick. And there he goes. The side air from Brin. उलग्रिम भी पूरा ट्राई कर रहे हैं अपना बेस्ट देने का. Not enough to take off.
I think
Rockaway.
Ulgrim is trying his hardest to defeat. क्योंकि अभी उसके पास like he's in
Yes.
disadvantage
Yes,
पे.
but I think he's like spamming
Yeah.
a lot side six. And there he goes. The side sig worked out because when you do side sig, you get punished for it, and that punishment leads you to death. And Rockaway trying to play bare hands.
Again, I think Bryn has more advantage than like advantage है उसके पास.
There he goes.
As I
X6
told
from
देखो,
Rockaway. This is it, guys.
मुझे लगता है ना
Rockaway gonna win.
कि रॉकवीर के पास like higher chance है because उसकी health
हाँ, लेकिन किलर
health attack
हाँ,
सबसे
मुझे लगता है
advantage
किलर जेटी क्लच कर सकता है इसे.
हाँ किलर की plus है
But मुझे नहीं लगता.
I guess
Oh,
wow,
that was a
nice.
smart play. That was very smart play.
पर यार ब्रेन combo पे combo दे रही है so I don't think she will like
हाँ,
lose.
लेकिन उसके बाद डिफेंस है अच्छा खासा.
Oh
And
nice.
there he goes. उलग्रिम ने बहुत अच्छा अपना डाउन सिक करके मुझे लगता है ये क्लच हो सकता है. ये बहुत ही इंटेंस मैच चल रहा है. अब मुझे लगता है कि रॉकवीर को एज के पास रहना चाहिए क्योंकि हमने देखा था पिछले मैचेस में एज के पास वो अच्छे नहीं है. बहुत ही स्मार्ट प्ले.
Oh nice.
बहुत ही क्लोज मैच चल रहा है ये.
This might be the end.
Oh no. Yes. But
I think वो
has
down
made-
sick उतना important नहीं था. You could just you know.
Yes. हाँ, वो डाउन सिंग इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था.
Oh my.
मुझे लगता है डिफेंसिव खेलना पड़ेगा ओपोनेंट क्योंकि ऐसे अगर 6 स्पैम करेंगे तो दे आर गॉन.
Yes.
Especially for Ulgrim.
But like he's trying. I
It's a
think he
close
can still
match,
clutch
guys.
it.
It's a close match, guys. Not enough to take out Rockawir.
Oof.
And there he goes.
Killer
JT.
JT. Won.
Killer JT.
Clutch कर लिया बंदे ने भाई.
भाई बहुत सही मैच था
Freaking
यार.
clutched.
That haymaker
बोला मैं
hit him
6
very
स्पैम कर रहा
hard.
है तभी मेरे को समझ में आया कि हाँ 6 स्पैम कर रहा था.
Okay, guys. Don't just rush on the opponent to get damage. You play smartly. That was a nice play. दोनों प्लेयर्स का पास एक्स है ये बहुत weird है लेकिन but the boy has dominated and there he goes the side stick from his axe. The boy got the first stock. Rush on the opponent to get damage. And I think he's very happy.
मेरे हिसाब से ना ब्रेन बहुत aggressive and defensive at this game. Like he's being passive. Like बहुत कम लोग खेलते हैं because like हारना बहुत ज्यादा होता है.
हाँ.
हारने का चांस बहुत ज्यादा होता है. This instance,
I mean,
like,
the boy is playing like reading the dodges and waiting when opponent makes a mistake. तो देख सकता है जैसे ही उसने साइड में साइड एयर किया उसने रिकवरी की जिससे मतलब उसे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डैमेज मिला. He knows when to attack.
Okay,
Yes,
this
very
bad.
good mechanical skills. But Zal is back. He can still give him damage, but he's down.
Ooh, Ulgrim.
In stock.
Ulgrim is so OP, dude. But I think Brain is gonna win.
हाँ क्योंकि तो देख सकता है वो एक स्टॉक पीछे है अभी. Ulgrim is already down 1 stock.
Oh my.
Both players trying to play very passive. There he goes.
Okay, one
Final stock left for.
Okay, is he going to 3-stock him? Damn.
I don't think so. क्योंकि साइड एयर से भी जा सकते हैं. Ulgrim is trying to take out.
I think Brain
लेकिन
wants.
किलर जेटी तो देख सकता है. किलर जेटी बहुत मतलब ट्राई कर रहा है यार. If I could do side air and just knock her out. There he goes, the side step. लेकिन अभी भी you can see
I think Ulgrim at this
the
point
boy
has
has
no
more
chance.
advantage.
उसके पास कोई चांस ही नहीं है जीतने का मेरे हिसाब से.
चांस है but तू देख सकता है.
Jan Bryn's
The boy is giving very much damage, and
लास्ट स्टॉक पे है.
he is unarmed.
End
He is
time.
unarmed.
End time हो गया इसका. He's gonna die soon. Yeah,
Yes,
Yes,
he
he
is
died.
down.
Player 2 wins.
So guys, we have one more round left. उसके बाद winner declare हो जाएगा. So let's just hope and place our bets. कौन जीतेगा? You know, just for the कौन जीतेगा types. Whether my आवाज आ रहा है. Okay, it's fine now. Okay, Wu Shang. Wu
Okay.
Shang and okay.
Okay, Killer JT has changed their legend. Both has changed their legend.
Yeah.
The boy has took Wushang and Killer JT. Nash.
Oh my. Damn boy.
Wushang is pretty great for this. Like, he has a good speed. He has a good damage.
पर उसके signatures मुझे पसंद नहीं हुए.
हाँ, वो अलग बात है क्योंकि उसका सिग्नेचर बहुत शॉर्ट रेंज है.
बट अगर देखा जाए तो लाइक Nash भी लाइक उसके अटैक्स भी शॉर्ट रेंज ही है. So I guess it's a close up match.
लेकिन उसके पावरफुल अटैक्स का डैमेज बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल. He has more powerful attacks. But as you can see, Wushang is giving him punches on punches from his gauntlets. And there he goes, the side sig.
Okay, this is bad.
This is really bad. He has a very good mechanical and tactical skills. He knows where to jump, when to jump, what to attack.
When to attack.
लेकिन उसके पार Nash is also trying to take him off with his signature moves and damaging
Okay.
all his costs.
That was really close. Is this it? Why Wushang is okay. Wushang has 3 stocks left. Okay, now I guess he will die. Oh! Okay, now he lost a stock. देखते हैं कौन जीता है. Still he has a lot of chance to win. Vlad, what do you think?
I think Ganesh is really tense right now. Like Killer JT, sorry. Killer JT is very tense right now. Like, what to do with this guy? How can I just give him some damage? He's unarmed. There goes the recovery.
I think there's no.
That was a very
Okay, so let me just say
powerful
this. I know
recovery.
it's very opinionated, but I think Killer JT is going to win. Wushang is going to win. Right?
मुझे नहीं लगता ये reset होगा. मुझे लगता है Wushang, the boy has got this. मुझे नहीं लगता है third round reset होने वाला है.
Okay,
Oh,
now
that
it's
was
okay.
a very smart play. That was a very smart play by Killer JT.
Combos पर attack भाई. सही था यार.
Yes, that gravity cancel NSIG was epic. And this is a very fair match, as you can see. Both
But I
players
think
are down on
Gauntlets के
one
पास
stock.
higher chance है जीतने का. Because Gauntlets.
हाँ, क्योंकि
Oh gosh, he's gonna be bad.
but Ganesh is very damaged right now.
Oh. A lot of. Oh gosh.
Killer JT trying his
Okay,
all
equal.
his heart.
Equal.
And he does that. Oh,
Oh no,
that
it's gonna
was
be the end.
very intense.
खत्म होने वाला match.
Is the
guys.
end.
Oh no,
Players
it's gonna end
need
so bad.
only.
Why I can see the end. Oh,
Yes, I can
tables have
also see-
turned.
Oh,
Tables have
okay.
turned.
Not enough. Oh, that was a nice recovery from
Oh,
Wushang. There he
Wushang
goes.
finally won.
The double
I
recovery.
told you. I told you. Wushang जीतेगा. Wushang had the advantage.
The
in
boy
this
has
match.
proved his skills off in this tournament. He is the October 1v1 championship winner.
भाई, it was intense भाई. तुम लोग दोनों best हो यार, सही में.